lathe, CNC and VMC. CNC lathe and VMC. What is a CNC lathe? What is a CNC milling, VMC, HMC? CNC stand for computerized numerical control. That is, a CNC lathe is a lathe machine where the computer or controller control the operation on the machines with the help of code and number. A CNC milling machines or VMC HMC is a milling machine where a computer or controller control the operations of the machines with the help of code and the numbers. VMC is initially CNC machines with the automatic tool change or ETC. Types of CNC machines: CNC lathe, CNC VTL, CNC milling, VCM, HMC. The major part of a CNC lathe.